we are going to see the second practical of our power electronics lab, that is three-phase bridge rectifier, that is 6-pulse rectifier. Okay, so for that in the previous lab also we have used the same circuit for the half wave rectifier. Now we are having 6 diodes, and for that we are going to connect those diodes as given in the circuit. So let us try to understand how the connections are made. Connection કઈ રીતે કરેલા છે એ પહેલા આપણે જોઈએ. Okay, so we will start with the supply again. તો આ ત્રણ આપણો સપ્લાય છે, RYB 3 phase છે, અને અહીં એક ન્યુટ્રલ પણ આપેલો છે. Neutral that we are not going to use right now. Okay, so we are having this 3 supply that can be controlled by using this 3-pole MCB. Okay, then we are having load. We have lamp load connected over here, but whatever, if the voltage available is greater than 230 volt, then we will not be able to connect those load. Just we will see what is the output. Okay, and we are having 6 diodes. Diode D1, D2, D3 are called as a positive group of diodes, and D4, D5 and D6 are called as a negative group of diodes. These 3 diodes are connected as a common cathode, and these 3 diodes are connected as a common anode connection. Okay, now let us check how the connections are made. First of all, we require to connect this one pole, second pole and third pole of diode pairs. Okay, so D1 and D4 are connected like this, that D4's cathode is connected to D1's anode. Similarly, D5's cathode is connected to D2's anode. Similarly, D6's cathode is connected to D3's anode. So these are the 3 poles for a particular phase R, Y and B. Now we need to connect the load. So as I have told you that D1, D2 and D3 are called as a positive group of diodes. Means that they are going to be connected in a common cathode configuration. Okay, so these 3 are connected in common cathode configuration. Similarly, this D4, D5 and D6 are connected in common anode configuration like this. They are just sorted together, means they are just connected together to form a single point. Okay, now load has to be connected between a common cathode and a common anode terminal. Okay, so for common cathode, this is the positive of the load. Okay, so this I have connected to this common terminal. Between this D1, D2 and D3, this is the common terminal, so I have connected just to that. Similarly, the negative of the load or a lamp load is connected to the common anode, D4, D5, D6 common anode terminal. Okay, so this is how the load is connected. Now how the supply is connected. So for each pole we are going to connect R, Y and B. Okay, so R is connected at the point where D4's cathode and D1's anode are getting together. Okay, so this is how it is connected to the first pole. Then Y is connected to the second pole where D5's cathode and D2's anode is connected. Similarly, the B point is connected, or B phase is connected between D6's cathode and D3's anode connection. So this is how the connections are made. So first of all, let us start the circuit by just turning on this MCB. I have just turned on the MCB, and we have already seen that in the previous lab that the voltage available is around about 400 volt between this R and Y. So directly now I am going to see what is the voltage DC, pulsating DC available at the load terminal. Okay, so let us try to see. For that, what we need to do is that we have to connect our multimeter in a DC range, and I am connecting that in auto so that it will select its range by its own. Okay, now what I am saying is that what is the voltage available between the load terminal. Okay, so we will try to see what is the voltage available between the load terminal, that is DC. Okay, we are getting 454 volt. You can able to see. Just show the reading of multimeter. Okay, so I've kept that in DC and it is 453.8 DC. Okay, so this is how we can able to get 6 pulses in the full wave rectifier, and we can also see the waveform if the attenuator probe is available. So we'll see then how the waveforms looks like in our simulation part. Okay, so this is our second practical about the 6 pulse or a 3-phase full wave bridge rectifier circuit using the diodes, means uncontrolled rectifier. Okay, thank you.